Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're going to show you how to make this decorative cookbook stand. Let's get into it. There's no specific size requirement for these stands. It's basically whatever size cookbook you want it to hold or whatever size tablet you want to put on it. Mine I made 13 inches by 7 inches. The little stand lip here is 1 inch deep, and then this little lip, which is actually not even really needed, I just like the way that it looks, is 1.5 inches. Our stand is assembled for the most part, but before I go any further, I'm going to sand over it one more time, and then I was thinking it might be really nice to add some dowels along the front here. It doesn't need the dowels for the strength, but I think that the dark dowels against this light wood are going to make a really nice contrast. Before I put the final finish on my stand, I'm going to put a transfer on the face of it. This is a great way to personalize it, and it also makes it more decorative if it doesn't always have a book or a tablet sitting in it. Alright, and there you have it. Our cookbook stand project is finished, and I really like the end result. Once I put a couple coats of polyurethane on this, it really made the transfer pop and come out really clear. For the little brace piece and for this hanger, I just used some strips of leather, real quick and easy. And then the dark wood dowels in the light wood, like I said before, it wasn't necessary for any kind of a strength, but it really adds a contrast to it that is really nice. I went ahead and made a second one. For this one on the brace, I actually just used a little piece of gold chain and some eyelets. And then I decided to go a dark stain on this and then just hand paint a little saying on it. That's why I like this project. It's just so versatile and it makes a great gift. It doesn't take long to make and you can personalize it for whoever you want to give it to. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to like it. If you want to see all our other projects, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And we would love to hear in the comments below what you thought of this project. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe and have a great day.